Hey, let me show you how you can unlock this hidden sound settings on the Samsung A37 5G, even that will allows you to change the style of your volume adjustment panel. For example, you can even find here the voice changer. So you have to go into the Galaxy Store for the first, and you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data because these features are not available in this system settings. Now go for apps, click on the search, and search for Good Lock application. You will have to download this app, open, and now we are looking for this option, Sound Assistant. So it will be available at the bottom. You have to click on this icon to download this. You will have to open, and here we are. As you can see, we can find all of those things, even this option to change the step volume. So what it means, as default it changed volume for 10, so we got scale from 0 to 100. If I'm gonna click on the volume up or down button, we'll go from 55 to 45. If you want to precisely change the volume, you have to go for the 1, and now you'll lower this like 47, 48, 45, 50, 51, and so. This is a game changer feature actually for the Samsung A37 5G. Let me know what you think about this one. Go here, find all of those cool features, and tell me what you think about this one.